Once upon a time in a quaint village, there was a young baker named Eliza, renowned for her exquisite pastries. Her bakery, nestled at the heart of the village, was always filled with the delightful aroma of freshly baked goods, attracting villagers and travelers alike. The secret to her success was a magical pastry cream that everyone adored, but she never revealed how she made it. One sunny morning, Eliza decided it was time to share her cherished recipe with the villagers, believing that the joy of her pastries should be shared by all. In her cozy kitchen, Eliza began by gathering the finest ingredients. She poured 2 cups of fresh milk from the local dairy into a large saucepan, the creamy liquid glistening under the morning sunlight. She added 3/4 cup of refined sugar, its crystals sparkling like tiny diamonds, and a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, stirring the mixture gently. As she combined the ingredients, she noticed how the cornstarch dissolved into the milk, creating a silky base. The mixture slowly transformed, becoming thicker and smoother with each stir. Next, Eliza whisked 4 egg yolks until they were pale and frothy, then slowly blended them into the mixture. She knew that patience was key, and she poured the yolks in a thin stream, ensuring they melded perfectly with the other ingredients. Eliza placed the saucepan on the stove over low heat and stirred continuously, her wooden spoon moving in a rhythmic dance. The sweet aroma of vanilla and sugar filled the air, warming the kitchen and wafting through the open windows, enticing the villagers outside. As the mixture thickened into a luscious custard, Eliza's mind wandered to the countless mornings she had spent perfecting this recipe. She recalled her grandmother's gentle hands guiding her, teaching her the importance of love and care in cooking. Once the custard reached the perfect consistency, she removed it from the heat and stirred in a 1/4 cup of butter, watching it melt smoothly into the cream, adding a rich, velvety texture. With the pastry cream ready, Eliza poured it into a bowl and let it cool. She then filled several piping bags, ready to demonstrate how to use the cream in various pastries. When she presented the pastry cream to the villagers, they were thrilled with the creamy, velvety treat now filling their beloved pastries. Eliza spent the afternoon teaching them how to create eclairs, cream puffs, and custard tarts, her heart swelling with joy as she watched their faces light up with delight. As the sun began to set, the villagers gathered in the town square to enjoy the pastries they had made. Laughter and conversation filled the air, and the once quiet village buzzed with newfound excitement. They realized that the true magic of Eliza's recipe wasn't just in the ingredients, but in the spirit of sharing and kindness behind it. Eliza's willingness to share her secret had brought them closer together, creating a sense of community and belonging. Generosity and kindness enrich our lives and the lives of others. By sharing our gifts and knowledge, we create joy and strengthen the bonds that unite us. Eliza's secret recipe for kindness had transformed the village, reminding everyone that the sweetest moments in life are those shared with others.